All right, I'm ready to do some more. And when you do this, I've got a lumbar back support on right here. I think you can see that. Okay, got my crappy jeans on. I don't want to get all messed up. Okay, so I'm using my throwaway pants and my lumbar support, and that works out really good because of all the bending and stuff. Okay, so I'm going to start this room and just zip around it so I can get ready. I want to get that roller out. That paint roller out is calling my name. And I just recently did the hallway, and the hallway is already drying. I can see how it's drying already. But even if so, you still get your construction light out. You'll see where to stop and go when you get ready. And see, because I have a long handle, remember this kept sliding down? I can just put it that way and let it set like that. Because with the throwaway paintbrushes, the handle's a lot shorter, so then I just kind of set it in here. I don't like everything sliding into my material. Slap that stuff on there. Get the nail holes. I got a little bit too much in that one. Right there. Right there. Let's take a look around the corner. A little bit, you're fine. I haven't really used that much sealer yet for this. I'm hoping to get all of this area done in 1 gallon. Okay, and that 1 gallon only cost me $28, but just because I think I'll get it done in a gallon, what's that? I got 2 gallons at the store just to be on the safe side. Always be prepared. Well, you don't have to run to the store because you have to get into the last second gallon, just barely a little bit. You can't finish your job. You have to go back to the store. The store's closed. You wanted to finish that night. You know, much easier to get extra and to have to take it back another day on your terms, on your way to work, after work, on the weekend, whatever. Okay? I know, trust me. I've done it so many times that it just doesn't make sense to stop what you're doing because you don't have the material to finish. Okay? Now see this one wall in real time. I'm just going to show you in real time pretty much how long this takes. I've kind of been showing you that already. But I usually go kind of fast. You might think you have to spend extra time getting it right up next to the base, but like I said, you'll get good at it. You'll get good at it, trust me. See, as I put it on, I'm putting it on a few inches away, and even though I have just a 2.5 inch paintbrush, I've got a good 5 inches probably along this wall. Okay, I put it on there and I start away from the base, get a little bit of it off of my brush. Now I can take my brush and go right up in there and then take any excess right in here. Now I've got extra on my paintbrush to put another little bit on there, okay? Like that. That's how you're going to do it. You're up in this corner. I'm gonna backhand it up there. That, and then go forward, forehand, right there. Maybe do a little circular thing right in there. And then away I go for my next wall. Yeah, you probably want to see a little bit more, so I'll show you a little more. Grab it in there, get it up there next to the base, and get going. Time's wasted. We're at least 6 inches. And try getting one of these pads, garden mats. You'd be surprised how your knees are going to start feeling if you're just kneeling down on the concrete. Now I'm sweating in here too. Granted I got short pants on. You can wear long pants if you're going to kneel to protect your knees to a certain extent. But I just find that this pad works for so many things. You've been watching my videos, which I think you have been. Thank you, by the way. You'll see that I use my little knee pad for all kinds of stuff. Anytime I'm down on the floor, if I have that handy, yeah, I'm going to use it. Okay. All right, one more wall to go. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.